Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel, Isabel Cooking. So for today's vlog, I'm sharing with you we are making beef with Cantonese oyster sauce. So guys, it's a very simple recipe. So let's start. So guys, this is a classic Cantonese recipe in which any combination of vegetable can be used. So broccoli may be used instead of snow peas, and white mushrooms instead of straw mushrooms. So guys, I have here 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, light soy sauce, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a kilo of beef. So I cut it into thin strips, and I have here garlic and ginger shredded, carrots, red capsicum, onion, and green beans. So okay guys, mamarinate lang natin yung ating beef. Okay, cornstarch, black pepper powder, yes guys, so I use apple cider vinegar instead of dry sherry or rice wine. Okay guys, and may mix lang natin to. Okay, mix well and set aside to marinate for about 25 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay, lilib lang natin siya guys ng mga about 30 minutes bago natin siya i-fry. Papan-fry natin siya. So it's okay. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, na-marinate natin yung ating beef. Then heat the oil in a preheated wok and stir fry the beef until the color changes. So guys, it's done. Okay, we remove the beef and drain. So okay guys, pour the excess oil and leaving about 2 tablespoons and the wok. Then add ginger, garlic. It's about 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger. It's a shredded. Then we add in our onions. It's 2 onions or chopped onions. Guys, we're gonna add in a cup of button mushrooms. It's a canned mushrooms. And mix well. Okay. Then we're gonna add in our green beans, broccoli steamed, broccoli and carrots, broccoli florets, guys, gonna add in our red bell pepper, red pepper is an optional, guys. So guys, red bell pepper is an optional, okay? Guys, and fried beef. Then a 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then we're going to mix it. Guys, it's almost done. guys, it's almost done, and i-plating lang natin. Ilalagay natin sa ating serving plate. So, here you go. Okay guys, si-serve na natin. So, ito guys. So guys, oh my goodness, so yummy. Okay, here you go, ready to serve. Okay, look at this. So guys, enjoy watching and happy cooking. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you. And thank you for supporting me, guys. So, okay guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and comment. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification every time I post a new video. Thank you guys. And also, thanks for my regular and new subscribers, silent viewers, regular supporters, and commenters. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. And stay safe, everyone. God bless. Okay, bye. I'll see you soon on my next vlog. Okay, guys, subscribe my channel to fill up on the latest most hit recipes. Guys, and syempre lagi ko nga nire-remind sa iyo din, sa inyo, subscription and like are big help to me, so please subscribe me guys. Okay, huwag kayo magdalawang isip. Hindi ako nagjo-joke, sana nga. So guys, ito hindi pa natin tinitikman, so pero I'm sure guys na napakasarap na itong beef with Cantonese Oyster Sauce. Try nyo sa bahay guys. Nalalapit na yung ating season. Ay holiday season. So, pwede nyo itong i-try. Okay guys? Bye-bye na ulit.